study about the types of acquired immunity. As I told you about the acquired immunity in my previous video, so today we study the types of the acquired immunity. Actually, acquired immunity is of two types: active acquired immunity and passive acquired immunity. So let us go through one by one. First of all, active acquired immunity. When host exposed to antigens, that is living or dead organism or pathogens which enter inside the body, antibodies are produced in the host body. It is slow and take time to give its full effective response. It means it is a kind of very slow immunity, and it takes the long time for the full effective response. Now, active acquired immunity further subdivided into two subtypes: acquired active natural immunity and acquired active artificial immunity. So, natural acquired active immunity, when antibodies made after exposure to an infection. For example, if a person who has recovered from an attack of the chickenpox developed natural active acquired immunity, it is a type of long duration immunity. So we can say that जो इम्यूनिटी बॉडी में किसी पैथोजन के एंटर होने के बाद स्वतः ही एंटीबॉडी उसके अगेंस्ट बनती हैं, such kind of immunity is known as natural acquired active immunity. Now, artificial acquired active immunity, when antibodies made after a vaccination. For example, vaccine given to a person before infection. जो वैक्सीन्स इन्फेक्शन से पहले दिए जाते हैं, बचाव के लिए दिए जाते हैं. आपने देखा होगा जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, इन्फेंट से लेकर 5 ईयर्स की एज तक के बच्चों को समय समय पर एक समय के अंतराल के बाद उन्हें वैक्सीन दिए जाते हैं, जैसे BCG की वैक्सीन, पोलियो वैक्सीन. तो ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन और दीज वैक्सीन्स इज कंसिडर्ड एज artificial active acquired immunity. Now, acquired passive immunity, when ready-made antibodies are directly given to protect the body against antigens or pathogens. जब रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडीज डायरेक्ट दिए जाते हैं बॉडी में किसी पर्टिकुलर काइंड के पैथोजन के अगेंस्ट, सच काइंड ऑफ इम्यूनिटी इज नोन एज पैसिव इम्यूनिटी. इट इज आल्सो ए काइंड ऑफ टू टाइप्स, दैट इज एक्वायर्ड पैसिव नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी and acquired passive artificial immunity. So acquired passive natural immunity, antibodies are received from mother, for example through breast milk as colostrum. It consisting of immunoglobulin A type of the antibodies. It protects the breastfeed newborn from infections. So we can say that colostrum is the first milk of mother which is formed just after the process of parturition. बच्चे के डिलीवरी के बाद जो फर्स्ट मिल्क मदर को बनता है, दिस इज नोन एज कोलेस्ट्रम. दिस इज येलो कलर्ड मिल्क and it consisting of IgA type of the antibodies. So this is very important for the young ones, and it protect the young ones from many of the infections and also provide the passive natural acquired immunity. Now, passive artificial acquired immunity, antibodies received from a medicine, for example from gamma globulin. Gamma globulin is the example of the artificial passive acquired immunity. For example, that is injection of immune serum. आजकल आपने देखा होगा कोविड-19 के बाद जो रिकवर्ड होके पर्सन घर आ रहे हैं, उनके सीरम का इस्तेमाल भी है एज बूस्टअप के लिए. जो पेशेंट्स हैं उनको उनके एंटीबॉडी के बूस्टअप के लिए दिया जा रहा है. तो दिस इज आल्सो ए काइंड ऑफ द आर्टिफिशियल पैसिव एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी. नाउ immunoglobulins, that is Ig. These are the structurally resembles with glycoproteins, है ना, that functions as antibodies. ये एक तरह के ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स होते हैं जो एंटीबॉडी की तरह फंक्शन करते हैं. These are blood proteins and are defensive only against the स्पेसिफिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, ये एक स्पेसिफिक पर्टिकुलर काइंड के पैथोजन के अगेंस्ट ये फंक्शन करते हैं. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ 4 पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन्स linked together by disulfide bonds. For example, immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin D, and immunoglobulin E type of the antibodies. So this is about the immunoglobulins. So this is all about the types of acquired immunity, that is active and passive immunity. Thank you and have a nice day.